I've only owned, I'm not going to BS anybody here, I've only owned about, I would say, 5 different pairs of Jordans in my life. And those 5 pairs were the 10s, the 11s, the 14s. I bought the 23s, and I had a pair of the 1's. Now, right here, this unboxing is sponsored by Jay Vargas, J Evolution Auto House, JEA House on Instagram. Thankfully, I was talking to him about how I wanted to do more unboxings. However, I only really purchased one type of shoe, but there are plenty of people out there that want to understand the shoe a little more, understand its origin and things of that nature. So this is why I wanted to make sure you guys knew what was going on. But let's move on. So Nike Air Jordan. A little history behind the Nike Air Jordan 1. Now, the Nike Air Jordan 1 was, I believe, manufactured in 1985. Is where I think I just saw it on here somewhere where it showed 1985. Yes, 1985 Air Jordan 1. Now, I didn't get into sneakers up until about like 95, 96. You know, I was getting closer to that age where I was 10 years old, and you know, I wanted to look cooler and I wanted to dress different. And you know, that's when I started to learn really about sneakers and the brand and all that good stuff. Now, my first pair of sneakers were LA Gears. So I didn't have Nikes or Reeboks or Fila or anything like that. My first pair were LA Gears. However, as I got older and I became more stylish and I wanted to throw on something different, that's when I started to like other brands. Now, everybody out there knows my brand now is Adidas NMDs. I love the design. I love the sneaker. But I had a few people asking me about Jordan. What's up, bro? Why are you not unboxing Jordans? I want to see Jordans. So, with that being said, I am going to unbox a pair of the original 1's. The 1's that they call the sneaker that started it all. The one that they call the sneaker that catapulted Nike's brand and created Jordan's brand. You know, when these sneakers first launched, they were $65, y'all. $65. Can you guys imagine $65 sneakers? Jordans at that, 65. Like, that had to happen, shit, almost 35 years ago? 35 years ago, $60 sneakers. That's crazy to me. Oh, let me see, maybe later. Yeah, so that is crazy to me. The fact that there's a $65 sneaker out there. So here it goes, guys. The Jordan 1. These are the pine green highs right here. Such a beautiful sneaker. Great leather. Great design. Cool fun fact about the sole, though. The sole was actually thicker. What they stated Jordan said was that he couldn't feel the court. He couldn't feel the court under his feet. Like, he couldn't grip the court, and that's why they made the design. Who I believe the creative director at the time was Peter Moore. He is the creator for the Jordan 1. So all the retros and 1's that you see coming out, all the nice designs, and there are so many different colorways for the 1, guys. So if you wanted a quick look at the different colorways, I'm sure you can visit Jordan's website or just Google it, and they'll show you all the different colorways. Not to mention Gatorade made a few. And there's different collaborations with people like, I believe, Travis has his own sneaker with these guys. There's a ton of people out there. Of course, famous people like DJ Khaled, they got their own sneaker and all that cool stuff. But these are the green. Now, the reason why I was excited about him showing me a green pair of sneakers, because I'm an Eagles fan. Philadelphia Eagles all day, baby. So that's why I was excited about unboxing these bad boys. So as you can see there, great clean design. I believe the size 10 is like the perfect size sneaker. I'm an 11, so I'm a little bigger. When I was a size 10, guys, and this was probably when I was about 16, 17, I just felt like the 10 was always the perfect size for a sneaker. Not everybody will believe that. However, that's my opinion. So black, pine green. And some of these may get confused because they did launch other models with a white tag or a red tag. But these are the latest pine green models. Retro as always. 1's. I love them. And this is what they call, as I said, the sneaker that started it all. You know, they even said, I believe the Nike headquarters is in Beaverton, Oregon. And it was said that they were like practically begging the family to bring Michael out. And Michael, come on, let's do some work. We're going to reshape your brand. We're going to make Jordan the face of Nike. And, you know, Nike's just an intelligent, amazing organization, just like Adidas. These guys have been around forever, and they have some of the best athletes rocking their kicks. So one thing I would say is, let me see if I can put this up here just to show you guys a quick side profile. Yes, I can. So one thing I would say is, when you're talking about the Nike brand and Jordan kind of has his own thing. Like, he has his own logo on his sneakers. He is his own brand. Although Nike is what kind of helped him skyrocket that brand, I truly believe Jordan helped skyrocket Nike's brand as well. So that's kind of my spiel behind that. So that was the left sneaker. Now I'm going to show you guys the right sneaker. What I love once again about these kicks is the red laces. Green and red, of course, is kind of the Christmas look, but green and red is awesome. I gotta watch it, guys, because I got a dog around here, and I hope he's not around pissing or pooping anywhere. I'm watching you, sunshine. So this right here is your right side. Boom. Amazing design as always. I love the green and the black. For most of you guys that are trying to figure out the green, they call it a pine green. I mean, you can easily find anything, especially for you big money people out there with your Gucci. If you're rocking that Gucci, Louis, Prada, and they got that money.
You can turn your kicks into some Gucci Nikes. Boom. Black, green, white, and red laces with the red tag up top. Why not, guys? Why not? Amazing design, as you can see here. Love the colorway. And hopefully I'll be able to get more sneakers in for you guys for different brands.
I did request for a couple people out there who are resellers or collectors to just send me what they have. However, you know, it's up to them to trust me. Jay Vargas, thank you for trusting me, giving me the sneaker. As promised, I'm going to have it delivered right back to you in perfect form. And hopefully we can get some collaborations going so the actual sneakers are matching the JQ215 gear. Boom. So thank you guys for tuning in today. I'm so excited you guys were able to check out this unboxing of the Jordan 1 OG Pine Green. Oh man, you can honestly throw these sneakers on with anything. I love them with like ripped jeans, you know, kind of fitted jeans, not too baggy, where you can still lace them up nice and comfy. But once you lace them up nice and comfy, it still has that wide look. That's one of the reasons why I love the NMD so much, is because of the wide look. But there you go, guys. Jordan. And hopefully, hey, Nike, Adidas, or one of those guys sees me doing these unboxings and they just send me some cool stuff so I can unbox before it launches. Who knows? You never know. You never know. You never know. All right, guys. And once again, thank you for tuning in to my unboxing. These are the Nike Air Jordan 1's. Created by, I believe, Peter Moore. First launch date 1985. First price was $65. When they launched, I believe, in the US, here they were, I believe, $160. Could be wrong, could be a little more expensive, but you know, the ones aren't as expensive unless you're going into some special edition models, which there are a lot out there. I know a few sneaker collectors that have them. And hopefully, once again, guys, I get to unbox a ton of sneakers. And if you have any ideas of something you would want to see me unbox, jq215vlog.com. You can email me, or you can leave a comment in the video below and let me know what you think. Take care, guys. Have a blessed day, and thank you again for tuning in to another amazing unboxing. Y'all take care. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to stop by the channel, hit the subscribe button, and then hit the notifications icon so you know when new content is launching. Leave a comment below to let me know what you think. Thank you.